I'm Phil Burney, the Head of Consultancy and Training at the Tablet Academy. What is Microsoft Teams?
It's helpful to define what Teams is, and if you get a flavour for what's possible with Teams, you might start to think how it might be used for your institution. So the easiest way to describe it is as a hub.
And within a school, you can use Teams for organising staff and coordinating faculties and departments. You can use it for building communities of students. You can use it for communication.
A meeting can have up to 250 people in it, and you can have it as audio or video. You can have it so you can share your screen.
Teams is also great for collaboration. You can use the files area within Teams to find your own files in your OneDrive. Teams can also be customized and extended with a range of third-party applications.
The other thing to note about Teams is it's used by government departments, universities, businesses across the world, and it has enterprise level security. It's compliant with all the regulations and it's manageable.